Hey guys, 911 Chap here. It's Christmas Eve right now, so this time we're gonna be unwrapping one present. So it's gonna be the first one. I number it up just in case we do a video. Just the wrapping to numbers challenge. Okay, because this is gonna be a special video. So yeah, let's check out what's inside there first. Ooh, get ready for this. It's a puppet. Oh, hell yeah. It's a unique looking Schnoz Pro puppet. He is professional. And yeah, they have bent it up because it's super bendable, guys. And look at that. Don't worry about that. Here we go. This is a good puppet, guys. Hey. Anybody else going over there? Anything else going over there, he said. Anybody want some ham? Just for Christmas Eve? Yeah, not too much, buddy. What you got, Amy? Alright, guys. Name review. His name is Marbil Darby Mist. He's born in December 1st, 1997. He's already 23 years old. It has been past to my age. What do you know? You're a sock puppet, are you? Hell no, I'm not a sock puppet. Don't you say that. Yeah. So yeah, guys, this is from Etsy. So you buy that. Those are Diablo puppets. If you ever got those from Etsy, then I would suspect for you. I would propose for a link comment below. A link down below. So. All right. How good is this? No way to eat so much ham just for Thanksgiving. Nothing else, Marbil. I would be a firefighter. Okay, guys. So stay tuned for the actual Christmas day that I'm gonna be unwrapping the rest of my Christmas presents. Yours are not mine, my friends. So yeah. Stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be a good special video again. Are you guys ready for Christmas now? It's Christmas Day, 25th of December. Oh, okay, that's cool. Yeah, help me out with this present unboxing. Alright. Perfect good timing, guys. So let's head straight up this time. Alright, guys, so it's been the next day, and I couldn't wear a Christmas hat since we probably don't have one, so I guess a beanie would be okay, and that's why I'm wearing those awesome glasses for Christmas. It's Xmas though, how about that? Alright. Let's unwrap the rest. I do bring my 4 people. So this time it's not one priority Christmas unboxing. So let me get my box card just in case. Actually, I don't need you guys. What am I thinking? But anyways, for present number 2. Wow. What we got here? The fire rescue truck. You know? It's like we got the fire rescue things right there, Mom. So, my dude for real. And yes, I do need a box cutter, so yeah, guys, I do need a box cutter to make some time. Let's see which one's a good one. Oops. I missed it. I missed it again. This video is not really going to take that long, but... Oh, hell yeah! Yeah. Looks like we gotta do this. Huh? Yeah. The first thing I got is puppet. Like this one, so that's what it is. So let's show it off. So guys, I entitled this. This right here is a helicopter for fire rescue. Pretty unique, right? I'm pretty sure this has me, so it's probably pound. Like, I don't know, it's very decent, guys. It's like from Europe. It's like European, guys. And next up is the fire engine, the pumper. Got a little tail sprint. It's what's called. And pretty unique. And here's a snorkel. That's what it's called. So this one there. It does reel up. And yeah, I will admit the same thing. So yeah. Here's a tower ladder. And it adjusts all the time. So yeah, they have same sounds if they're fire trucks. So I don't have to do the same thing. But yeah. Alright guys. Present number 3. And what I got is the underwear I need. Just in case I run out of it. And Champion is probably what I prefer. They're pretty decent things. So yeah. I probably would be running out of good underwear, but we never know. Also, I gotta bleed something like that from here. But yeah, useful. Alright. Present number 4. We got socks over there. I do need clothes though, because it's really what I need. To be honest. Pretty. Yeah. I also need better clothes. Fit into me. Alright. Present number 5. And it looks like I got important Champion 2. So I can replace my other old ones. Let's see. Yeah. Those shoes like that, guys, are really decent. So. Alright. Get rid of that type of garbage. Okay, let's do the present number 6. It's gotta be my steel toe boots for real, guys, because I am looking for them. And yeah, great steel toe boots. Okay, we got something that we don't need in the boots. It's pretty hard to, it's just what it is. adorable. But yeah. So thank you for whoever got me the presents. And I forgot to say thank you for my grandma for giving me that puppet. It's pretty nice. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah, Mom. Yeah. So I'm gonna show off my shoes and the quality of it. Those are really nice. So let me try that on. Right. This is the right foot. It fits me quite well. It's good. Okay. So let me turn those. From now on, I gotta pick something now, but all this tissue paper. So that's what we got. All right. There we go. Present number 7. Looks like we got a big bag over there. And looks like we have, wow. Good point. Good point. Let's see if there's any instructions over there. Like there got to be instructions inside, so there's stuff we don't need. And nope, none of the instructions are inside, so that means I gotta get luggage there already. It is not luggage, but still. It's usually like a suitcase, guys.
Duffel bag.
Huh?
Duffel bag?
Duffel bag, yeah. So, yeah, this is a duffel bag. Remains of my favorite thing for fire and rescue. Yeah, for the guy. Well, so yeah. Thank you for all those people who gave me their presents. I really appreciate that. That's a good thing to relate me. That I'm a huge fire department fan. So yeah, and yes, there's gonna be a little more of the boxes that will be the mail delivered. I'm not sure, but I will show you that and when it comes and review it. So it's the mail problems, guys. The post office has been struggling. It's full and airflow. So yeah. Anyways, guys, Merry Xmas. Be sure to check out the links about the puppets. So yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, everything else, guys, thank you for watching. And I'll see you next time.